So I just got the Mavic Mini stuck in a tree now. That's just real great. Up in one of these. Actually, I was getting some really cool cinematic shots, and I really wanted to come over this trail here, this winding sort of road, and you know, there's these trees lining it. I wanted to fly above it. I finally see the drone. I see the rear tail lights flashing. Uh-oh, I lost it again. I hear it, but it's hard to see. Okay, let me switch the camera. Okay, there it is. Right there in the middle. I'm gonna see if I can shake it off. Boy, it was challenging getting that thing out of the tree. Oh my God. You have no idea. I started grabbing a bunch of these little rocks and I started flinging them up there. And I just kept trying to like believe that it was possible that I could hit this thing with this rock. It was so up high. I just kept telling myself, okay, you can do this. Focus. You could hit this. Every time I'd miss, I'd be like, you suck. What? Come on. You could believe in yourself. And I just kept focusing. And I kept thinking, okay, I can hit this. I can hit this. Until I actually hit it. And then it went down. I didn't have enough chance to run over here and catch it before it finally fell out of the tree. But I'm just glad it's not in the tree anymore. It sucks that... Don't worry, you're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. We can repair you. We have the technology. Inevitably, you're gonna get some accidents flying these things, and I got my first accident, my first broken arm on my droney. I'm gonna order a new one. Hopefully I think I can replace it. Looks like I can. What do you guys think? Should be okay. Well, that's what happens when you're having fun.